Well, guys, Luca and me and Rex from Toy Story. I'm just gonna go to the center commercial. Okay, guys? Okay, I'm way with you, Alicia. Okay, goodbye, guys. Goodbye, Alicia. Come on, Luca. Come on, Rex. What's this song? It's my tummy. Okay, Rex. I'm coming with this. You still hungry, huh? Yeah, I'm hungry. Well, we're coming. Whoa, look at this, the sound. Oh! Oh, hi, guy. Hi, girl. What are you doing here? Hello, you wanna be my friend? How are your name? Espérate. Okay, Alicia. Waiting here. Okay, you just wanna go to the supermarket. What are you doing here? Okay, is it here? No. Good. What? He was closed. And my stomach is growing. You're serious, Alicia? Mm-hmm. Me too. Okay, Luca. Let's go to the oh, look at this. There's bugs. No. The name? Okay. Here, it's awesome to play. Oh, what are you doing here? You're bad. Oh? Wait a minute. Okay, Viva. Thank you very much. Oh? What's this sound? A chick. Oh, Vivo, you're awesome. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Goodbye. Run. He was coming. Run. Okay. What's happening here? Oh, Gish, you're coming. What's happening this? Gish, the girl is catching your set. What? It's here. Okay, go escaping. Come on, Luca. Come on, Alicia. Woof. That was so close, guys. Yeah. My stomach is growing. Okay, let's eat. Hey, what are you doing, little kid? Goodbye, mister. Luca, con orejas de Mickey Mouse. Porque así podemos jugar. Cocinar y cocinar. Let's eat, guys.